I'm now going to show you how to make the butterfly daisy headband. So you start by attaching the wire in the middle of the headband. You want to fold it so you have two pieces going, one to either side of the headband. Start by threading the petals on the wire. And in the middle here, you want to use the bigger petals. And going to the side, you're going to use the smaller ones. Your petals might look different, but the principle is the same. So you thread on the petals, you put the wire around the headband, and you thread another petal on and continue. On both sides. You might want to cut the wire if it's too long, otherwise just wind it to the side, like so. Do the same on the other side. The bigger petal. The reason we put the bigger petal in the middle is that that's where we want to put the butterfly in just a moment. I'm doing this video very quickly, maybe a bit too quickly. Yours is likely to look much better than mine, but this video is just to show you the principle of how to make it. So a little petal, twist around, and last petal. And around. And now the wire is a bit too long, so I will cut it and then fold it back on itself so it doesn't stick out. I would have given you the little gel cushion for the butterfly. So you take the gel cushion and put it onto the butterfly, somewhere in the middle. It's really strong, these gel cushions. The butterfly is not going to go anywhere. And then attach it onto the petal. The sizing of the headband you can do before you start adorning it, decorating it, or after, and just size it accordingly. And you fold over the wire at the back. And start by wrapping the ribbon around. Quite loosely at the front. It looks really nice, but it's not too tight, I think. And then it's gonna come down the back. So just leave it hanging there. Now you have two tail leaf ribbons coming down the back. You could tie them together. If you have a glue gun, it might make it easier by just putting in a tiny bit of glue and secure them to the back. If I know myself right, I probably gave you a few extra petals, and you could adorn the back by gluing 3 petals, perhaps. 3 petals could look nice at the back. So put a tiny bit of glue. Not that tiny. Okay. And press the petal to the back of the headband.